Everyone knows the expression location, location, location. This stunning 5-acre acreage checks that box and everything else on your list. We're steps away from the city limits of Calgary, a minute's drive to the international airport, Costco, Cross Iron Mills, and the horse track here in Balzac, and Airdrie. The beautiful bungalow is over 2,600 square feet on the main level, has been completely updated in recent years. Some to mention, all new kitchen, all new flooring, all new bathrooms. We've got 10-foot ceilings throughout the main level, full height kitchen cabinets, quartz countertops throughout, stainless steel appliances with a beverage cooler. We've got a south-facing deck looking at the city landscape, triple garage heated. We've got a new roof, hardy board siding, triple pane windows, and more. Come take a look.